Hello and welcome to the PassFab channel. If you've been locked out of your iPhone 15, it could be because you forgot your password or someone else tried guessing the wrong passcode multiple times and ended up locking the phone. If the only option you have left is to reset the phone, there's an effective solution. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to reset your iPhone 15 without needing the passcode. Please note that the methods I'm going to show you in this video works for all other iPhone models and also iPads. The first method is the easiest option. Reset your iPhone with your Apple ID login. Since too many passcode attempts have been made, you might eventually see an option at the bottom of the screen that says, "Forgot passcode." Tapping this will take you to iPhone Reset, which will prompt you for your credentials from your Apple ID, enter your login details, and then you can use it to erase your iPhone. So you need to know your Apple account password. If you see this option, it's the fastest way, but it requires you to remember your Apple ID password. The second method is to restore your iPhone 15 with iTunes. Open up iTunes on your PC and then put your iPhone into recovery mode. For most modern iPhones, this is done by pressing and quickly releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then pressing and holding down the side power button until you see the recovery mode screen. Make sure the phone is connected to the computer. iTunes should detect the phone in recovery mode and pop up with an option to restore it. Clicking this will download the latest iOS and completely wipe the device, restoring it to factory settings. However, this method has a very important requirement. Find My iPhone must have previously been turned off on the device. If it's on, iTunes will require the Apple ID password to proceed. The third method is to unlock your iPhone 15 using a professional software, PassFab iPhone Unlock. This software is a professional unlock tool designed to handle many iPhone and iOS device issues, and it can handle exactly this situation. First, download and install PassFab iPhone Unlock on your computer using the link in the description. Open the software and you'll see a few options. For a full factory reset that also bypasses the iCloud lock, you want to select Unlock iOS screen. Follow the steps displayed on screen to boot your iPhone into recovery mode. As soon as the device is recognized, click on Download, and the software will automatically start to download the latest firmware for your iPhone version. And after a successful download, click on Start to Remove, and it will successfully install the firmware after a few minutes. Your iPhone will restart, and just like that, you'll be able to set it up as a brand new device. No passcode nor Apple ID password required. If you followed any of these methods correctly, your iPhone 15 is now freshly reset and ready to go. If this guide helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching.